Aeva Technologies has launched CityOS, an AI platform designed to improve how cities monitor and manage traffic in real time. Built on NVIDIA's AGX Orin hardware, the system combines Aeva's 4D LiDR sensors with edge computing and advanced analytics to turn traditional road infrastructure into smart infrastructure. CityOS is different from conventional traffic monitoring tools like cameras, radar, and inductive loops because it allows for continuous, high-resolution awareness of entire intersections. On top of detecting objects like vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, its 4D LiDAR technology also measures their speed and movement simultaneously. This allows for more precise tracking, trajectory prediction, and understanding of interactions between road users. A key advantage of the platform is its ability to operate reliably in all lighting and weather conditions, including darkness and bright sunlight, where camera-based systems often struggle. It also preserves privacy by avoiding the capture of personally identifiable visual data. Unlike cloud-dependent systems, CityOS processes data locally using Edge AI on NVIDIA's AGX Orin. This enables low-latency analysis and real-time decision-making without requiring constant internet connectivity. The platform converts raw sensor data into actionable insights through dashboards, alerts, and reporting tools for traffic operators. That being said, CityOS is designed to enhance, not replace existing infrastructure. It expands coverage beyond fixed detection zones and provides a comprehensive view of intersection activity. This allows cities to optimize traffic signals, improve flow, and proactively identify risks before accidents occur. For instance, by detecting wrong-way driving, monitoring traffic flow, analyzing near-miss incidents, protecting vulnerable road users, and contributing to long-term urban planning. It is also positioned to support future vehicle-to-everything V2X communication systems, which might be a reality quite soon, given that CityOS is now available for deployment across city streets and transportation networks. So as it starts helping municipalities improve safety, reduce congestion, and make more informed planning decisions. Make your own informed decisions on stock market streets with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.